Yeah man, right now some curry chicken, you know what I mean? We have some onion, garlic, scallion and thyme and pepper and garlic, everything cut up there so. Season them and everything, but you don't know. I bust each one of them and show in a bag. Don't know over this Irish and everything same way. And I say, yeah man, this way I season up. And I say, go and throw some season pan him now. Yeah man. Stir him up. Don't know a young one this me a boss, don't. Yeah, you have to stir up and throw season all about, don't. Yeah man, don't know. We have some curry up here so and everything up here so. Vinegar, every damn thing. You don't know sorry roll, you know, some Jamaican curry chicken, don't. Yeah man, me just don't shake up a goat and make my brother deal with chicken and I stir up that you know. So I go on. Live flying color Jamaica curry chicken though. That's alright you know. Bust couple pack of curry chop on him. So I'm going. So I'm take time and look. Bust off curry head. We bust off goat head and we bust off chicken head. So what we have to do, we have to bust off curry head too. Done. Yeah man. Alright, stir up before you throw no more on him there. More curry. Stir again, see where I'm going with. Some Jamaican curry, though. Yeah man, we're not ramp with curry. Done. We'll get 2 more pack of curry so we go. I start chewing them the pan now, they do some more stirring. See I do them think I whole board it all take up. See him look, some onion, garlic, scallion, thyme and pepper that I go pan it. Stirring up again there. Yeah man, them they gonna soak all both. Some curry chicken though. Jamaican curry chicken though. Yeah man. Throw some of the mix up season upon it. Yeah man, everything there in that. Some ginger and garlic and pepper. Alright, that good. Everything, yeah man. So you look, everything blend out in that man. Yeah man. Curry chicken though. Yeah man, just make sure you like and share the video though. Yeah man, see how I season up chicken like I'm not sure you know. Next young
yeah,
lad.
Man, I said things.
Yeah, Irish the man thing and thing the thing upon him. So you can't say you not seeing curry so in season of some curry chicken though. And him chop you up and cut up in season them and do everything and him season up. And right now he look mad. See? Yeah man, Jamaica settings down. Some curry chicken. Don't drop out no more meat out of my pan in you. Typical Maggie pan him. See Maggie there, because you don't know Maggie are general, you know. Big backla Maggie, because you can't do it without him, you know. Aye. Yeah. Curry chicken up good again tomorrow. What me say, you know, good again tomorrow. Yeah man, 2 minute settings, no. Some curry chicken. Right now, I have a whole hog to go start deal with and how John was start. That are the big man, just don't shake up the goat. Now it's a chicken. Right now I say things set down. And I say, yeah man, I say look when they done season. And I say right now, I'm out.